In today's video, we're going to show you how you can check the profile views on TikTok. So if you need to check out who saw your TikTok profile in the past 30 days, then follow my steps. Let's open the TikTok application on our iPhone or Android device, and then we'll go over to our TikTok profile. Once you're on your profile, you'll want to tap on this little feet icon next to the 3 horizontal lines. Or, if you have an older version of the TikTok application, it may be an eye icon. So once we click on that icon, it's going to open another section in the app where we will see a list of all the different accounts which had visited our TikTok profile in the past 30 days. So, as you can see, I have a couple of different profiles here which have gone to my TikTok profile, and they've maybe seen my videos which I've posted and all that other stuff. And keep in mind that you can only see the people that have the profile views feature also enabled on their TikTok profile as well. Maybe this list is a little bigger and someone else visited my profile, but they aren't on this list. That's because they have the profile views option disabled on their TikTok account, and they can view other people's accounts anonymously. If you don't see any names in the profile view section, then tap on the little gear icon at the top right of the screen and make sure that this feature is enabled for you. Keep in mind that if this is turned on, then other people that have the profile views enabled on their account can see if you have been on their profile or not in the past 30 days, so keep that in mind. But that's essentially how you can check who visited your TikTok profile in the past 30 days. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.